Here's Draftkings, and you're curling, and you had a hard time with this 10 week, and now you flipped the 10 week and it's curling up, right? You really don't have anything here until you get to about here, this $26. Now, if you look at this on the daily, this is exactly what I'm talking about. This is what we're seeing so much of. And patterns replicate during very specific times. If you can start picking up those patterns, you might be able to get a little bit of an edge, right? And that's all we're really trying to do, get an edge. I mean, no one knows what's going to happen the next day. You're just trying to position yourself properly in case something in case what you think is going to happen. But nobody really knows. So you come down here, you completely engulf this. You could actually argue this is a bearish engulfing because this body engulfs that body. You gap up and you reverse. You are not seeing this happen any time in recent history. If you start going through these charts, it really is not happening, right? You'd trade down and then you'd come back up. Now you're gapping down and people are using it as buying opportunities to get long. This is a very different scenario than what we've been dealing with. And I would suggest that you look at something like this. We're in this a little cheaper. Again, this is in the newsletter. We did it in the trading room. But we're in a little cheaper. We're up about probably over 10% in it right now. But I think you're going to get to the 26. I think you're going to push up to this 25. I think you can get up to this 27, 29, 27, let's call it 28, just to make the math simple. I think it's very realistic. You're going in the football season. People are bored. And when you're in recessionary times, there's two things that work in recessionary times: movies, Hollywood, and gambling. If you ever look at the times that they boomed, it was in recessionary or depression times. They actually grew. Just people just want an escape. So keep that in mind. So if you like this clip, click on the left to watch another one, or if you want to see the entire video, click on the right.